Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel, just Missy. So today my kitchen is a disaster and we need to get it cleaned up. And of course I'm going to have something for Croctober to share with you. You guys seem to love my recipes, and of course the air conditioning is going to come on. So let's get busy and get the house cleaned up. It's pouring down rain. I'm hoping it clears up here soon because I would really like to go for my walk. So while I'm waiting to go for my walk, we might as well get the house cleaned up and getting something yummy in the crock pot. Before I get something into my crock pot, I gotta clean up my kitchen. It's a mess. So welcome to my channel. We do homemaking, cleaning, and cooking here. If that interests you and you're not a subscriber already, I hope you hit that subscribe button and stick around and become part of the Lovey Tribe. We would love to have you. Let's do this.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow.
Alright lovies, so the first thing I'm going to do to make my home feel warm and cozy on this cold fall day is get my diffuser going. I'm going to put some lemon scent in here and make the house smell lemony and fresh and clean. And we're going to get the dishwasher emptied and we're going to get it loaded back up, and then I'm going to be taking everything off the counters and cleaning them as well so that my kitchen is clean before we put something in the crock pot. So let's get the diffuser going, get the house smelling good, getting it feeling warm and cozy, and then we'll get the kitchen all sparkly clean too.
Waves get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end. Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. Can't stop. About you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, can't stop, can't stop, can't stop.
You kissed a girl just 'cause you wanted to. Not thinking about what you made her do. She started doing her hair and makeup, oh, just for you. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. You think you're young and smart, got no responsibility in this world. But if you're young and smart, you should know better. Don't get laid back 'cause you're not that cool. Don't think you're safe and sound walking around breaking rules. I'll bet your parents are worried sick. That's not as cool as you think, not as cool as you think, yeah.
Okay, lovies, today's Croctober recipe is Italian chicken sausage and cheesy noodles. This was so delicious. This tomato and basil chicken sausage came from Aldi's. It is so good. You're going to need some ricotta cheese, mozzarella, your favorite pasta, and your favorite pasta sauce. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get these chicken sausages sliced up. If you don't like skin on your chicken sausages or any sausages, if you change your mind with what kind of meat or protein you want to use, you can slit the sausages and squeeze all the meat out, and it can be like ground sausage, if you will. We like it as like, you know, with the skin on it. So I'm just going to cut these in rounds, and I'm going to saute them in my crock pot or my Instapot. So I just put my Instapot on saute mode, and that's how I will cook up the sausages before I add everything else in. And these sausages from Aldi's were delicious. They had big chunks of tomato and basil in them. It was delicious. They are really good. Look at that. They were really, really good. So I highly recommend these if you do shop at Aldi's. But you can use any kind of protein if you know that you like. This is just a very saucy dish, and when you leave it like the sausages and the sauce cook all day in the crock pot, the sauce and stuff, it gets so yummy. Okay, I'm going to saute these up down here a little bit, let them get nice and brown with some color on them, and then we're going to add the sauce and the yummy stuff. Okay, so now that the sausages are brown, we're going to add my favorite pasta sauce, your favorite pasta sauce. Then we're going to add some ricotta cheese. I put one of the smallest containers of ricotta cheese in there, and a whole bunch of Italian seasonings and fresh parsley. Look at that. I mix it all up, and then I let it come to a nice boil and simmer. Once it boils, I turn my crock pot down to slow cook, and I let it slow cook for a couple hours, and oh man, it is so good. So once the sauce has cooked for a few hours, you're going to add your favorite pasta. We love the bow ties. And you're going to mix it up really, really well. And then after it is all mixed up and it looks so saucy, yummy, and delicious, you're going to top it with mozzarella cheese. Put the lid on for about 5 minutes. Let all the mozzarella cheese get good and melty. And then you're going to plate this. This is delicious. It is so cheesy, so yummy, and the sauce just picks up all those basil and tomato seasonings and that sausage flavor. Oh, it was delicious. Look at that. It was so good, so cheesy, so delicious. I really highly recommend this one. My family really, really loved it, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. Serve this alongside some salad and garlic bread, and you have a delicious Sunday dinner. But thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this simple cleaning and Croctober recipe. I thank you so much for supporting my channel. I just love you guys. I will be back Wednesday with another video. Remember, I upload about 3 times a week, some fun things, and I'm so excited to share more recipes and more cleaning and more just in general homemaking and life with you. As I always say, whether God blesses you with a mobile home or a mansion, be grateful for whatever He has given you, and He will bless you with more. I will talk to you soon, lovies. Bye!